Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back at it. It's your boy iphonese Tech coming to you guys because I just got done doing an unboxing. That's what I did. And actually I'm just going to come straight forward and come in this part. Just talk a little bit about reviewing on this. This phone actually is a really decent phone. I think that Apple could have been a little bit more creative and made this phone a lot better than what it looks right now. This actually smacking a iPhone 8, 6, 7, 8. And just in this form factor, and then make it with the iPhone 11 package inside and make this $399. What they should have did is make the iPhone 11 but with one actually camera and made this probably like an iPhone 11 SE instead of just iPhone SE. Or you could have still stuck with the iPhone SE 2 second version, but actually just what you did is you put a black screen and just made, you know, the button. I know it's they probably had an idea to make something else other than just this form factor, because this stuff was going on. They probably was like, ah shoot, we can't do anything, we can't protect this. But they got years to do it and time to do it. But actually this one, I feel like this was a fail. I'm actually going to do a review on this, but unboxing this phone, my opinion for it, actually just be great for for a kid or anything else, because the $399 price range starting off, and then if you get the 256 like this one is actually $550. So I mean, for the price for getting the top model version of this, actually is not bad for the pricing. But I just feel like it should have been more, looked at and probably a lot better. But the camera quality and everything else is actually pretty good on here. I don't know. I just picked it up so I could get a more review, but this is me, just a first initial unboxing and reviewing it. And like my opinion from grabbing it, using it, I mean just picking it up, using it for just a little bit. I don't know. I don't think this was a great idea. It might sell like hotcakes, I'm pretty sure, because of the price range, and like this would be really great, like I said, for kids and like anyone that's really not trying to spend a high price on a phone. You can still get that quality of the Apple phone. But to me, I think they should have been more creative with this, like making the iPhone 11 SE or just iPhone SE but with the 11 form factor with just one camera. Like still have that same capability of the 11 like they have in here now, but just, just by itself, a single. But I'm not knocking on what they did. It's actually like my daughter loved this phone. She loved this, how big it is, how small. You can see here. Let me see if I can get that. Because actually the quality of this phone is actually pretty good. I'm actually going to do like a little, thing on it, just showing the phone and everything else. But just everything on this phone is pretty awesome. I think it's pretty good. Like on the form factor of using it, it's pretty snappy. Using the fingerprint, it's pretty snappy on everything. So like I said before, I'm gonna do a quick video on my thoughts and what I feel about it, and review like deep into it, like the camera quality, the call quality, all that, so like how small it is. I think it's pretty great, because I'm coming, like for me, because I'm coming from a phone like this is the phone I have, it actually big, you got the iPhone Max because it's Max. But, staring at these two being productive and, how big it is, you can tell the difference between it. So I say, this is a great phone for it, but like it'd be awesome if they made this form factor into like the 11 version of this, and this just had one camera. Took away these two cameras and just had one, and just that's what I would have did, and just made it smaller, like this size, but have this form factor of a screen on here where it's all screen. That would make a really big difference and keep it at that price range, because they could have made this screen a little bit different and have that form factor of the iPhone 11 inside here. Just by looking at it, I put a comparison to all the phones next to it and everything else like that. You know, it's iPhone, you know, 8 Pro. I was gonna do the XR, but I had to fight with my daughter to trying to get that, but I couldn't get it. But I'm gonna do more review on it, but this is just my opinion. I'm not knocking Apple because I love what they're doing. But this one right here was just basically, I'm gonna just put this out there because we said we was putting the SE out, and I'm gonna just throw it out there. But I'm pretty sure the form factor for SE3 will be a lot better, and preparing us for the new phone that's coming out, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna be delayed on the new iPhone 11, 12 I mean. But at least in this form factor, in this phone, the people that have the 7, 8, that have the problems with the updates, this phone would help with that. That's one thing I say about this phone. If you love that form factor of the 8 and the 6 and the 7, this will work for you, because you could get the latest and greatest updates and not have any hiccups or problems with this phone. So that's one thing I could say about this iPhone, is that you can have the latest and greatest software and not have no hiccups. But you guys tell me your opinion down below. What you think? Do you think Apple should have made this a lot different? Do you think you like the form factor of it? Or are you buying? Did you pick it up? You know, tell me down below, you know, did you pick up and what you think about it? I'm gonna do more review, more things on it. Like I said before, more things on this phone. And I think this is a great phone, like I said before, but it could have been designed a little different. And that's one thing I dislike about it. But the software and everything else is actually pretty snappy. You know, I'm like I said before, I'm gonna do more things on it, just, you know, showing the form factor of it and everything else like that. But it's your boy ICH3 Tech. Just doing a quick unboxing, a quick, you know, review of what I feel about the phone, just by picking it up and give it, like, it feel premium in the hand. Don't get me wrong, but it's your boy ICH3 Tech. I do nothing but text, automotive, and also vlogging, and pretty much everything tech. Everything vlogging and everything automotive. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for hitting the 1,000 subscribers. Videos coming soon. I'll be doing a giveaway. Stay tuned for that. And link subscription to help the channel. We're gonna grow. Help the channel grow. Link subscription to help the channel, and actually merch will be coming. Actually representing, you know, job security with.